things tourists should avoid in Tirana, Albania. 1. Don't walk alone at night in isolated areas. While Tirana is generally considered a safe city, walking alone at night, especially in poorly lit or isolated areas, can be dangerous for tourists. Petty crimes such as pickpocketing and muggings do occur, particularly in quieter parts of the city where there are fewer people around to witness any incidents. Sticking to well-populated and brightly lit streets significantly reduces your risk. Certain neighborhoods outside the city center may not be as well-policed or monitored, increasing the potential for trouble. Tourists who are unfamiliar with the area are often targeted by opportunistic criminals. If you need to travel after dark, it's advisable to use reliable transportation services like taxis or ride-hailing apps rather than walking. Being out alone at night can also increase your vulnerability to accidents or getting lost, particularly if you're unfamiliar with the local geography. Even if you're confident navigating the city during the day, it's easy to misjudge distances and safety at night. Always ensure you have a safe way to return to your accommodation. 2. Don't accept rides from unlicensed taxis. Unlicensed taxis pose a significant risk to tourists in Tirana. Although these drivers may offer cheaper rates, they often lack regulation, meaning there's no guarantee of safety. Tourists who accept rides from unlicensed taxis are more vulnerable to scams, robbery, or even being dropped off in unsafe areas far from their intended destination. Some unlicensed taxi drivers may overcharge foreign visitors by taking unnecessarily long routes or demanding additional fees once the journey has started. In worst-case scenarios, passengers may be targeted for theft if the driver is working with other criminals. To avoid this, always use licensed taxi services or ride-hailing apps like Uber or Bolt. Licensed taxis are regulated and their drivers are accountable to local authorities. They are also more likely to know the safest and most efficient routes around Tirana. Always ensure that the taxi you're using displays official signage and a visible meter before starting your journey. 3. Don't flash valuables in public. Tirana is generally a safe city, but like many urban areas, tourists can become targets for petty thieves if they display valuable items like expensive jewelry, watches, or electronics. Flashing cash, smartphones, or other valuables in public places can draw unwanted attention, especially in crowded areas like markets or public transport. Tourists who openly display their wealth may attract pickpockets, particularly in busy tourist spots such as Skanderbeg Square or Bloku. Thieves often work in teams, with one distracting the target while another takes their belongings. Once stolen, it's difficult to recover valuables, especially if the thief quickly disappears into a crowd. To avoid becoming a victim, keep your belongings discreet. Use anti-theft bags, keep wallets and phones secure in inner pockets, and avoid pulling out large amounts of cash in public. Remaining vigilant and aware of your surroundings is essential for protecting yourself and your belongings. 4. Don't consume unfiltered water. Tap water in Albania may not be safe to drink, especially in rural areas or during periods of heavy rainfall. Don't risk your health by consuming unfiltered tap water. Stick to bottled water or other safe sources of drinking water. If you're unsure about the safety of the tap water, ask your hotel staff or a local resident. They can provide you with information about the local water quality and recommend safe sources of drinking water. Carry a refillable water bottle with you and fill it with bottled water or filtered water from a trusted source. Avoid drinking tap water from public fountains or other unfamiliar sources. 5. Don't leave drinks unattended. One danger that exists in Tirana's nightlife scene, as in many cities, is the possibility of drink spiking. Tourists, particularly women, are vulnerable to having their drinks tampered with in bars or clubs, which can lead to serious health risks or even assault. Never leave your drink unattended and avoid accepting drinks from strangers or people you've just met. If your drink has been spiked, it can lead to a range of harmful outcomes, from robbery to physical assault. Victims of drink spiking may lose consciousness or become severely disoriented, making it difficult to seek help or defend themselves. These incidents are rare, but can happen in tourist-heavy areas where criminals target vulnerable individuals. To protect yourself, always watch your drink being prepared and keep it in your hand at all times. If you suspect that your drink has been tampered with, don't consume it. Let the bar staff or security know immediately, and ensure that you have a trusted companion with you when going out. 6. Don't ignore street harassment. Tourists, especially women, might experience unwanted attention or street harassment in Tirana. While many people are friendly and welcoming, some individuals may approach tourists with inappropriate comments or advances. Ignoring such behavior or attempting to brush it off could escalate the situation and make it more dangerous. Street harassment can sometimes lead to more aggressive forms of attention, including following or physical confrontation. If you feel unsafe, it's important to firmly but calmly remove yourself from the situation. In cases of persistent harassment, head towards more populated areas or seek assistance from local authorities or security personnel. Remaining aware of your surroundings and avoiding isolated streets, particularly at night, is one way to minimize your chances of encountering harassment. Trust your instincts. If someone is making you uncomfortable, seek help or move to a safer location. Being proactive and assertive in such situations can help prevent the issue from escalating. 7. Don't wander into high-crime areas. Like any major city, Tirana has neighborhoods that are safer than others. Wandering into high-crime areas, especially as a tourist, can increase your risk of encountering theft, scams, or even violence. These areas may not be well lit or patrolled by police, making them more dangerous, particularly at night. Tourists unfamiliar with Tirana's layout might accidentally venture into these neighborhoods, especially if they rely on outdated maps or unreliable directions. It's crucial to research the areas you plan to visit and stick to well-known, tourist-friendly spots. Straying into less traveled parts of the city could expose you to heightened risks. If you're unsure about the safety of a particular area, ask locals, hotel staff, or use travel forums for up-to-date advice. Even during the day, avoid traveling into areas known for high crime, as opportunistic thieves often target unsuspecting visitors. Staying in safe, central locations helps minimize potential dangers. 8. Don't leave your belongings unattended. Leaving your belongings unattended, even for a moment, can lead to theft, particularly in crowded places like cafes, parks, or public transport. Opportunistic thieves are quick to snatch bags, phones, or wallets left unsupervised. Once your belongings are stolen, it's highly unlikely they'll be recovered. In some cases, thieves will deliberately create distractions, allowing their accomplices to steal unattended items. If you're in a cafe or a restaurant, always keep your bag or valuables within reach or in sight. Avoid leaving items on tables or chairs where they can be easily grabbed and taken unnoticed. When using public transport, keep your bags close and never place them out of your immediate reach, especially in busy conditions. A moment of inattention is all it takes for a thief to strike. Always keep your belongings securely fastened and within arm's length to minimize the risk of theft. 9. Don't forget to lock your accommodation. Failing to secure your accommodation properly can lead to theft or break-ins, even in seemingly safe neighborhoods. Tourists staying in hotels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals should always lock doors and windows when leaving, even for a short period. Criminals sometimes target rental properties, knowing that tourists may be careless with security. If your accommodation has a safe, use it to store valuables such as passports, extra cash, or electronics when you're not around. Hotels may offer additional security, but it's always a good idea to double-check locks and ensure that the room is secure before heading out. Failure to take these precautions could result in the loss of important documents or personal belongings. Always be cautious when booking accommodation in Tirana, especially through informal channels. Ensure that your chosen lodging has positive reviews regarding safety and that security measures like cameras or guards are in place if necessary. Keeping your lodging secure is an essential part of staying safe while traveling. 10. Don't travel without travel insurance. One of the most dangerous mistakes tourists can make is traveling without adequate travel insurance. In the event of an accident, theft, or medical emergency, lacking insurance can leave you stranded without proper assistance or facing hefty bills. Albania's healthcare system may not meet the standards of your home country, so it's essential to have insurance that covers medical evacuations if needed. If you're involved in an accident, whether on the road or in an activity like hiking, travel insurance ensures that you can access emergency care and receive compensation for injuries. Tourists without insurance could face long waits for medical treatment or be denied services until payment is secured. Moreover, travel insurance often covers theft, meaning that if your belongings are stolen, you can claim compensation. Without insurance, you could end up losing a significant amount of money, both from stolen items and emergency expenses. Always make sure your travel insurance covers medical, theft, and trip cancellation to protect yourself against the unexpected. 11. Don't ignore local scams. Tourists in Tirana may encounter various scams, ranging from overpriced goods to dishonest street vendors or fake tour guides. One common scam involves offering assistance or services for free, only to demand exorbitant fees afterward. Falling victim to these scams can result in significant financial loss and frustration. Fake guides or unofficial taxis often prey on tourists, offering discounted services that end up being subpar or unsafe. Always verify the credentials of anyone offering tours or services and avoid accepting unsolicited help from strangers. These individuals may lead you to places where you're overcharged or pressured into spending more than you intended. Being aware of common scams is crucial for avoiding dangerous situations. Researching ahead of time, asking for recommendations, and staying cautious in interactions with strangers can help prevent you from being deceived. Always trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. 12. Don't engage in political discussions. Political discussions in Albania can be sensitive, especially given the country's complex history. Engaging in debates or openly criticizing the government or political figures can lead to confrontational situations, particularly with locals who may hold strong views. These discussions could quickly escalate into verbal or even physical altercations. Albania has undergone significant political changes, and while most people are welcoming to tourists, bringing up controversial topics can provoke anger or hostility. This is especially risky if you're unaware of the nuances of Albanian politics. In some cases, tourists have found themselves in uncomfortable or even dangerous situations after making offhand political remarks. To avoid unnecessary conflict, steer clear of discussing politics, especially in unfamiliar company. Focus on neutral topics, and if someone else brings up politics, it's best to listen politely without engaging too deeply. Keeping the conversation light ensures that you don't inadvertently offend anyone or provoke a negative reaction. 13. Don't use drugs. Albania has strict laws regarding drug use, and tourists caught with drugs can face severe legal consequences, including hefty fines or imprisonment. Even if offered drugs by locals, engaging in illegal activities can quickly turn dangerous, as drug-related crimes are taken very seriously in Albania. Tourists involved in such situations often find themselves facing harsh legal repercussions. Using or possessing drugs also puts you at risk of encountering shady individuals or dangerous environments. If you're caught in possession of drugs, you may have to deal with corrupt law enforcement officials, extortion, or even violence from those involved in the drug trade. Albania's judicial system can be difficult to navigate for foreigners, making any drug-related legal issues more challenging to resolve. Additionally, the quality and safety of street drugs in Albania are questionable, and using them could lead to severe health risks, including overdose or poisoning. The consequences of drug use are far-reaching and can ruin your trip, as well as put you in life-threatening situations. It's best to avoid illegal substances altogether during your travels. 14. Don't forget emergency numbers. Failing to have access to emergency contact information in Tirana can be dangerous if you encounter medical emergencies, accidents, or crime. Not knowing the local emergency numbers or how to contact authorities can leave you in a vulnerable position, unable to get help when it's needed most. In Albania, the emergency number for police is 129, and for medical emergencies, it's 127. It's crucial to have these numbers saved in your phone and to know how to contact your country's embassy in case of a serious situation. Tourists often overlook this step, assuming they won't need it, but being unprepared can lead to delays in receiving assistance. Additionally, language barriers can complicate emergencies if you're unable to communicate effectively with local responders. Make sure you have a plan for how to get help and that you know basic phrases or have access to translation tools. This preparation can be life-saving in a critical situation. 15. Don't disrespect local religious customs. Albania is a religiously diverse country, and failing to respect local religious customs can lead to offensive situations or even confrontations. Tourists visiting mosques or churches must follow the proper etiquette, such as dressing modestly and removing shoes when required. Disregarding these customs can anger locals and create an uncomfortable or hostile atmosphere. In religious areas, especially during prayer times, tourists should be mindful of their behavior, keeping noise levels down and avoiding any actions that might be seen as disrespectful. Religious observances are taken seriously, and interrupting them, even unintentionally, could provoke negative reactions from worshippers. Additionally, taking photos in certain religious spaces without permission is considered rude and could result in you being asked to leave. Always ask for permission before photographing religious sites or ceremonies, and respect the rules of each location. Avoiding these mistakes helps ensure that you don't inadvertently offend locals or end up in a confrontational situation.